In front of me is Motorola Moto G77, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Now tap on Open under Google and select Google Password Manager. Finally, tap on any password you want to edit and enter your screen lock. Then choose Edit button and change wherever you want to. Lastly, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!